Wait, what is this thing? This is called iSpin hand spinner. It is a substitute for these habits that we get used to in our daily life. It helps stress relief and makes you focus. Currently, we find these good quality spinners are very expensive in the market, while the cheap ones has very poor quality. So we want to make a high quality hand spinner that is affordable by most of us. The iSpin spinner is made of 18 colorful O-rings, 10 CNC machine brass parts, and 1 high quality bearing. The 6 green O-rings in the middle is illuminated. Because of the high quality bearing we use, the spinner is super quiet, and the spinning time can be up to 3 to 5 minutes. It also makes the spinner well balanced at your hand, so that you can play the tricks with the iSpin spinner easily. It takes us 3 months for the research and sampling. Now we get everything ready and need your help to reduce the mass production cost and bring this fantastic hand spinner in front of you.